these are strong companies. KT, you can't fight these guys alone. If it were easy to fight, you think your predecessors and all the people who came wouldn't have done it long ago? No, you can't. There are various ways they can sabotage, and very soon, even he, KT, will be removed from office. This is an election year. Listen, these companies come together, they go and donate money to your party, you'll be removed in 3 seconds. So that's not how to fight business companies. No, you can't fight them like this anyhow openly. Trust me. So please, KT, I've given you 2 very recent examples that you should look back and rather go and engage. Don't think that just writing laws that you will jail people means that can work. No, Ghana doesn't belong to you alone, especially when you are even about to leave office. Your government is performed very poorly, very shambolic. When I look back, every day I wake up, I'm like, hey, I can't wait for Ghana's second independence on December 7th.